Hey guys, welcome back to the Wfh Korna. Today I've got something extra special for you. I am going to show you how to create a killer professional resume for free using Canva and a little help from ChatGPT. But hold on, stick around until the end because I've got some exciting Christmas surprises coming your way. Have you been sending out resumes and wondering why nothing sticks? Trust me, I was in that boat too. The one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work. In today's competitive job market, especially working from home, having a standout resume is crucial. A well-crafted resume can be your ticket to the interview room. And with the right tools, it's easier than you think. With that said, let's dive into the magic of Canva. It's an amazing online design tool that can turn your resume into a work of art. I'll guide you through the process of choosing templates, customizing layouts, and making your resume visually appealing to catch any recruiter's eye. First things first, head over to canva.com and create a free account if you haven't already. Once you're in Canva, search for resume in the template section. Pick a clean and professional template that aligns with your industry. Remember, first impressions matter. You can choose a template with or without a photo. The templates with the crown at the bottom though, the bottom right, are for Canva Pro users. So don't use any of those as you'll risk not being able to download your resume. It will ask you to pay. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to look for customer service management templates. And I'll just choose one without a photo. But wait, there's more. If it's your first time hearing of ChatGPT, let's change that. Visit chat.openai.com. This is a powerful AI language tool that can help you articulate your achievements and skills with precision. Yes. Input key details like your skills, experiences, and achievements. Let ChatGPT help you phrase these in the way that captivates potential employers. Don't forget to add a personal touch. Use ChatGPT to create a compelling objective statement, or for some persons call it professional summary, and customize each section of your resume based on the job you're applying for. Tailoring is key, guys. Now the real magic happens when you integrate Canva and ChatGPT. Imagine seamlessly blending a visually stunning resume with compelling, well-crafted content. It's a game changer in the job application process. If you weren't using this dynamic duo before, don't submit another application before doing so. As you can imagine, this is just a tiny piece of what either of these tools can do. So tell me what you'd like to learn to do with either of them in the comment section, and I'll be happy to create a video about it. I'm still learning, but I've also been using them a lot. So I have no problem sharing what I know. Now, before we reveal our special Christmas surprise, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the amazing content I have planned for this holiday season. All right, you've learned the essentials of crafting a professional resume with Canva and ChatGPT. Now, here's a little sneak peek. Something big is brewing on the channel for Christmas. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to check out these other videos for more work from home insights. Catch you in the next one.